Okay, today we're going to do 7-1, solving systems by graphing. So basically, you're just going to graph two equations and see where they cross. Okay, and in the next section we will do how to do it algebraically. But right now we're just going to do it graphingly. Okay, so using graphs. Okay, so y equals 2x minus 3. So remember your y-intercept is -3. And your slope is 2 over 1, so up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. Okay, and you're going to connect these and make a line. Okay, and then I will use a different color. And then you come over here and graph this one. So we start at -1. Whoops. We go, our slope is up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. So where it crosses, that's your answer. So right here is our answer, which is 1, 2, which is the point 2, 1. Okay, so yes, you have to graph it and then pick the point out. Okay, but that's it. So then over here, we have x plus 5. So we start at 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, if I were to do up 1 over 1, it'd be over here. So let's go down 1 to the left 1, down 1 to the left 1. We would graph it like this. And we connect them. Okay? And then if we have -4x, remember this is really plus 0. Okay, so we're starting at 0, and you'd go down 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1, but going that way isn't going to cross this line. So then you go up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1, and now we connect them. Okay, so it crosses at this point, which is -1, 1, 2, 3, 4. -1, 4. Okay? So that would be your answer. Okay? Now sometimes it's just going to say is a point a solution. So basically if you plug these in, is this point on both lines? So algebraically you just plug them in. This is x, this is y. You just plug them in. So 5 equals -1, because there's a negative here and the 1 is negative. Okay? Plus 4. So 5 equals, this is 1 plus 4, so 5 equals 5, so that's a yes, but it has to be for both equations. Okay, so basically it's saying, is -1, 5 where these two lines intersect? Okay, so then you would put 5 in here, -1/5 times -1, so 5 equals +1/5, so that's a no. So if either of them are a no, then that's a no. Okay, if they're both yes, it would be yes. Okay, so then let's do another one just for more practice. So here, remember our y-intercept is 2, and then we go down 1 to the right 2, go down 1 to the right 2. Whoops, apparently I changed colors there. Which is the same as up 1 to the left 2. Okay, so sometimes you gotta, whoops, go in each direction. And then this one, let me change to blue now, -3, and then to do your slope of -3, you can go down 3 and over 1, but that's not going to help us because we got to get them to cross the line. So 1, 2, 3 over 1, 1, 2, 3 over 1, 1, 2, 3 over 1. It looks like this, even though my lines aren't the best. We can see that it crosses, even though I didn't draw my line very well, right there, which is at point -1, 2, and up 1, 2, 3, -2, 3. So that's that point. Okay, that's the solution to that graph. Okay, let's do 2 more. Okay, so here we start, the y-intercept is 1, and we go down 2 to the right 1, down 2 to the right 1, because it's negative slope. Okay, and I'll try to connect this one a little better than last time. Okay, and then this other one, it starts at -1, and we go down 2 to the right 1, down 2. What do you notice about this one? Are they ever going to cross? Okay, if these were straight. These are never going to cross, and we know that because they're parallel. Okay, our slopes are the same. Remember, same slope, parallel. That means they're parallel, which means they're never going to cross, which means there's no solution, and you would need to write no solution. Okay, sometimes there's just not going to be a solution at all because they'll never cross because they're parallel. Okay, now over here, you notice this one's in slope-intercept form, but this one isn't, so we have to get it there. Okay, so we have to subtract 2x. Okay, so we have 4y equals negative 2x plus 8, and then we have to divide by 4. Divide everything by 4. Y equals negative 1/2 x plus 2. Now, what do you notice about these two equations? I'll go to graph it. Plus 2, down 1, over 2, down 1. Whoops, I went down 2, didn't I? Let me erase it. Okay, so down 1 over 2, down 1 over 2 is the same as up 1 over 2, okay? But what do you notice about this other graph, other equation? Okay, you go to, it's the exact same equation, right? Down 1 over 2. So if you were to do the line, it would be the exact same line. Okay, so that means where this one had no solution, this one, all the points are solutions. So you would say infinite solutions. Okay, because this has infinite solutions. It goes on forever. So no solution if they're parallel, infinite, or there's one solution where it crosses once, okay? And that is it.